Oke, cek sound, 1, 2, 3 dan halo lagi ya guys ya. Kali ini kita bakalan lanjutin lagi guys, story questnya si Kartelina sih siapa lah namanya manusia ini lupa ya. Oh, Cantrella itu dia. Yes, I'm ready. Let's go ya bro ya. Let's go, solo challenge brother. Start. Harusnya jadi part terakhir ya guys ya. Tadi sudah kurekam 2 part. Harusnya ini langsung tamat. Oke.
Darkness breeds the unknown, and the unknown gives birth to fear. In a place like this, the glimmers from these delicate drifters truly light up the entire scene.
Lu, bukannya ini tempat. Oh, ini sama kayak misinya anu nih, Cok. Tempatnya anjing. Bedanya kita terbang-terbang ya, guys ya. Pakai katrol ini tidak kayaknya. Bosnya Zane di sini juga, guys, kalau tidak salah ya. Mirip-mirip anjay.
Seems like fate insists we move as one, side by side. None can rival the Jelly Rose Medusa. Ah, scent I know well. There's a Jelly Rose Medusa lying in wait just a little deeper. They tend to be wary when alone, their nerves quick to tingle at the slightest move. But worry not. I know what to do.
Emang tujuan kita emang cari bunga ya. Siap. Mencong anjing jatuhnya, Dok. Anjay. Other side, removing.
I know this bookshelf well. Today it seems ambitious, hungry enough to devour 2 books at once. One titled Past, the other Present.
Satunya masa lalu dan satunya masa sekarang. Oke. Ini kita cuma perlu ganti ini, guys.
To the insatiable appetite for knowledge, or to the ever-expanding void. Yet I trust your eyes will see through the tricks of the
Hey.
Swift and resolute.
Sakit aja yang tidak kenapa-apa.
Sounds come forth, the end has come. Look for this house. Strike the shadows.
Hei, kebiasaan mukul di mana, Cok?
The hour is upon us. Look for this house.
Wush, anjay. Ada chest.
Remnants of the past. An empty shell. The remnants that past has left behind. Just one more to go.
Oke, katanya
The
satu lagi,
shadow
guys.
cast by present. An unexpected discovery. This one isn't picky. It's a mere accident born from the
Apa nih? Inspect. Oh, kosong, guys.
Now both past and present are ours. Go ahead. Knock upon the door where future lies waiting.
Oke, masa lalu dan masa depan kelar, bisa di deliver. Apa nih? Wes, dapat kita guys. Anjay, ubur-ubur merah.
Frightened away, our lethal yet delicate little friend.
Itu dia guys.
Looks like we need to handle these two first.
Aduh. Ya, ganti. Sah. Ngapain kok, bro?
The hour is upon us.
Main easy ya, guys ya. Seperti biasa, bla bla bla, malas ku baca.
She was such a timid girl, like a frightened rabbit. She'd peek out from behind Mandragora, her little face half hidden. She cried so often. I still remember the day she brought me tea laced with mercury. Her hands trembled so much, tears spilling into the cup as she tried to serve. Such a good girl, really. So I couldn't bring myself to refuse. Had I not drunk it, the abyss closing in on us would have taken us back. The tea itself, well, it was tolerable. Certainly better than sea apple. Just a bit of burning, a touch of dizziness, and a pounding ache in the head. Whether it was her tears that softened the poison, or my body's quiet resilience, I recovered quickly enough.
Resilience itu apa ya, sabar. Oke, ya pokoknya itulah intinya.
Only through suffering could the girls of the trial steal a fleeting moment of peace.
Aduh, apa ini, Cok? Sabar. Melalui penderitaan garis-garis ujian itu dapat mencari momen di kediaman yang singkat.
Forgive me. I shouldn't linger in memories. After all, it's the present and future that truly matter, wouldn't you say?
Iya, betul sih. Masa lalu dan masa depan itu penting ya guys ya.
Our delicate little friend seems to have slipped above us.
Hah? Apa? Teman kecil kita yang lembut tampaknya telah menghilang di atas kita.
I'll find us a way.
Anjay, terbentuk bro jembatan bro. Sejak kapan dia bisa telekinesis? Let's go lah. No need a long time ya. Kita meloncat menggunakan ubur-ubur. Wih. Wih. Woi, Ces. Lumayan bro ya.
An unexpected discovery.
Ada lagi, Cok.
There it is, just a step away.
Oh, tidak bisa lari ke ubur-ubur merah.
It seems everyone desires the deadliest benefit. Expired obsessions rarely know when to stop.
Ayolah.
Moment of resonance.
Tidak ada kritikal-kritikalnya ya. Aduh, ganggu.
Hopefully this helps. Strike your shadows.
Woi, belum mati ternyata.
The end has come. Hopefully this helps.
Ah,
Cherish every gain. Leave it to me.
astaga. Ada banting.
One more time. Hopefully this helps.
Oh, this is
Lenyap guys, aman guys. Ah, dapat lah. Aduh, apa ini?
Mandragora, just like her name, was a bright yet lethal flower. Oh, please don't misunderstand. Lethal is the highest praise for a Kasane.
Little. Apa itu little? Oh, mematikan tujuan terbaik.
She
Oh,
clung to every teaching of the head of our family, shaping herself so meticulously that her thoughts and her very self vanished, lost to the family's cold framework.
oke.
I saw the weight of what she gave for that trial, all for a cause that was barely worthy of her sacrifice.
Sumpah cobaan terlalu tinggi nah. Apa sih? Saya melihat beratnya pengorbanan yang ia berikan untuk persidangan itu. Semua yang demi satu tujuan yang bahkan tidak sepadan dengan pengorbanannya.
So, when she served me the scone, dipped in the essence of jelly rose, I didn't hesitate to swallow it all.
Jadi dia menyajikan saya skon yang dicelupi dalam sari jelly rose. Saya tidak ragu untuk menelan semuanya.
She was much tougher than him, but still, behind her unwavering gaze, I caught a flicker of a shadow of something almost tender.
Nah, sejak bayangan suatu hampir lembut, bodoh lah.
As for the poison, the sensation was, I felt like I was drowning in slow waves, my body twitching without control, and vision slipping into a soft blur. And somewhere within that haze, I saw us transformed. Birds, perhaps, dancing on a sunlit shore, carefree and joyful.
Oh betul, emang kayak tujuan kita mencari ganja ya guys ya.
Then I woke up.
Intinya dia nge-fly
on a
guys.
sunlit shore around, and I lay here as ever in this cold abyss.
Bukan, berarti namanya nge-fly adik-adik ya. Jangan ditiru ya guys ya. Mereka membuat ini dan berbaring di sini seperti biasa di jurang yang dingin ini. Ngablu sih guys. Minumannya bikin ngablu guys.
Seems like this little one is ready for a duel, trying to take your life with its venom. But I despise unnecessary fights. Hand it to me. Yes, just place it gently here.
You have already endured this before.
Nothing to fret about. I've long since made my peace with poison.
Anjay. Sudah kebal
This
racun kali ya.
jellyfish, a remnant of the past, can't harm me now.
Waduh, apa nih?
You have such a kind heart, always ready to take on burdens, even while carrying your own.
Boardness itu apa ya? Sabar. Harus ku tahu itu ya. Katanya kita orang baik. Bahkan kau sendiri sendiri menanggungnya beban. Oh, boardness itu beban.
But some weights belong only to those who've already weathered their storms. So, let me bear this one.
Anjay.
See, I'm fine.
Waduh. Wah, sangat terlihat baik-baik saja ya.
We've more to uncover.
Wadah lagi ya. Belum kelar, guys. Ternyata belum kelar ya. Saya kira itu baru terakhir.
Jellyfish have no voice. They simply drift in the tide, struggling to let their faint glow disperse the darkness. Yet, here it is, a small shimmer of light, escaping the grip of the past to reach us now.
Oh, satu lagi sepertinya adik-adik. Knock 3 times.
It seems a subtle shift has taken place. I can smell danger. Let's look closely and see what new presence lingers here.
Oke, siap. Hati-hati kita, guys. Katanya berbahaya, guys. Apa nih? Prepare apa nih? Dan segera udah langsungnya lah ya. Nggak usah pakai lama, guys.
There's a weight to the air behind, a mixture of whispers from the deep, dried tears, and the stale, lingering scent of blood.
Uts. Ntar, guys.
Behind this is the deep water zone.
Belum, Bang. Meluruskan tulang belakang, Bang. Kamar, Bang.
Are you ready to face the relentless surges? The place ahead is beyond the reach of light, like the night sky devoid of stars, hungry to consume everything within.
Oke, let's
It
go.
will be dark and murky there. Please stay close to me.
Anjay, idolnya bergerak, guys. Ulala.
Final performance begins soon. Hat, unfit. Help me. Bring the round hat.
Alright then. Waduh. Kandirela.
It's maybe some old memories resurfacing. Don't worry, I'm quite well. When I entered this place, I knew that certain memories would seek me out, even if I did not wish for them to. Seems I'm not as resilient as I thought.
Kita disuruh mencari topi adik-adik.
Here, the past and future, dreams and reality are intricately intertwined, inseparably bound. The chaotic frequencies here might have trapped the light. Let's try once more, gently. Patience and encouragement always help.
Oke, katanya ini agak, iya ampun, waduh.
Strike the shadows. Hopefully this helps. The hour is upon us.
Terhalang matahari katanya guys. Intinya kita mesti gently gitu ya coy ya.
No hesitation. Hopefully this helps. The moment of resonance.
Ulala.
Leave it to me.
Apa nih? Wait, say.
It seems the round hat isn't here.
Woi, santai. Anjing.
I see, shall we? Hopefully this helps. The end has come.
Oh, macam-macam kalian ya. Waduh, apa ini, cok?
Leave it to me.
Break.
Hopefully this helps.
Take a breath and then pull. Oh, this will be fun.
At long last, the final performance.
Apa ini?
Dance and fight.
Apa ini, cok?
The maiden's crown will soon appear.
And rest upon one among you.
Mana anjay, ini kah? Oh, ini nih.
Round hat for you. Take them.
Dapat kah? Oh, ini dia, guys.
Round hat. Thank you. Odd, but thank you. The final performance begins now. Go. The front. Closer. Clear. Reassured.
Broken word suggests you to step closer the stat for a closer view, but reassured whose soul to feel reassured. Siapa yang merasakan apa itu reassured anjing? Bahasa apa ini? Bahasa Inggris. Namun tenang, siapa yang harus merasa tenang? Anda atau boneka itu? Jawabannya mungkin muncul di depan setelah pertunjukan dimulai. Oke, siap.
Showtime. Need light. Light. Lamp.
Let's go, bro.
Frequencies are too
Waduh.
chaotic.
Kantarela. Tidak.
No worries. We'll try again.
Wah, mulai nih, Cok. Mulai berasa nih poisonnya nih. Wah, Cantarella mulai kehilangan napas, guys. Tidak. Tante Semok, no. Boleh lah ya. Buat thumbnail, guys. Anjay. Tidak. Tidak reses. Oke, apakah kita final boss adik-adik?
You must be Anis.
Halo Anis.
Also girl A, who couldn't speak but managed to send me that message. You want me to find her, right?
We better watch ourselves. They might have tricks up their sleeves we can't even imagine.
Anjay.
How dare she show up in the town after everything they did?
My soul's truly eternal.
Siapa itu, Cok? Apa anjing? Ulang kah? Bisa maju sih. Siapa itu, Cok?
The Cantarella I know is unbreakable. She will never falter, even if you drown her with all these malicious whispers. You certainly won't shake me either.
Anjay.
Just place it gently. I, Cantarella Thessalia, value every promise I made to you. To see them through. Friends, there is certainly
Ini nih.
All those years of lying and scheming, and what have you gained? A tarnished reputation. You could have walked away from this, Cantarella. I still remember a little you, the youngest, and who's neglected all the Thessalians. You always lingered by your cob, and only smiled when a bird fluttered past your window. You despise this place, don't you? But the blood in your veins, it binds you. Holds you prisoner in this endless nightmare. You know the rules, yet they have already seeped into your very existence. Tell me, have you ever considered leaving? Let go of this burden that crushes you, and you'll be free as air, free to live the life you long for.
My dear lord, I've already gifted you the sweetest of dreams. But why do you still cling to this earthly burden?
Earthly burden itu apa ya? Sabar. Kita translate seperti biasa. Main translate tuh. Oh ini aja. Namun mengapa engkau masih saja berkutat pada beban duniawi ini? Oh, earthly burden, beban duniawi, anjay.
Watched with satisfaction as I climbed over the fallen, ascended the steps to glory, and wore the thorned crown. Was that not enough for you?
Anjay, gak cukup bro.
Illusions are no match for poison, Cantarella. False bubbles burst, and here we are, the end of it all.
Well, you see, illusions can also lead to true beauty.
Anjay. Halo.
Your obsession, corrupted by whispers, has become a shadow over the castle, a deluge of delusions that shouldn't exist in this world. I can feel the pain those whispers inflicted upon you. Allow me to free you from them. Once more.
Let's go bro. Kita battle terakhir kayaknya nih ya guys ya.
Leave it to me.
Wes, tidak semudah itu guys. Apa ini cok? Iya tahu.
But even deepest darkness can't endure the touch of light.
Ah gimana kok dia imun?
It now burns bright. Now is the time.
Ah,
The light shine brighter.
ini baru bisa dipukul ya guys. Ya, hantam semua pakai biji mata ya.
Feel the time.
Oh, melawan. What? Aduh sakit.
All yours.
Apa ini cok?
Oh, this will be fun.
Hopefully this helps. The hour is upon us.
Agak lain gerakannya ya.
Fully banished the whispers. Watch out! The twisted obsession is returning to the shadow.
Alah.
Leave it to me.
2 biji anjing.
Sounds come forth.
Sudah kudes bajingan.
Keep it together. Last chance.
Wes. Udah logis. Cuk, okay, my eyes check.
Now, free him from Simone's whispers.
Ah, dah. Waktunya kamu meninggal ya anjing ya.
Hopefully this helps. No hesitation.
Oh. Anjay.
My lord, I offered you the sweetest of dreams and safeguarded your legacy when you departed. I have entrusted Thessalia's true faith to one most deserving, and the Threnodians' deceptions in the inverted tower have been laid bare. No more whispers shall haunt us. Our children are freed from the cruel burdens of those trials. Now, you too shall find release from the Threnodians' whispers.
Anjay. They are the ghosts, are they?
Nothing escapes your eyes, does it?
We're here, alive and well. In that hellish duel, Cantarella shielded us with illusions.
Okay.
It all started with a false hope. Elixir to grant any wish was said to be here. We dived into darkness, choked down fear. Nothing's here but the deep themselves. The elixir was our blood and tears. Yet the bane gave us sweet dreams. At last, through the shadows, we reached the end. Once Cantarella took charge of the family, she shielded us, keeping us safe in the castle's depths. Order's members were always prying, eager to find out the truth. But if we went out recklessly, we'd only invite danger. Though I really miss my home, more than I can say. Fortunately, Cantarella holds the Night of Remembrance every year. With our masks, we can slip away, even just for a while, back to our village. It's always a great comfort to see Jojo living happily and in good health.
My dear, from this night forward, you're free to be with your families. The gentleman here has solved the riddles. Together, he and I will craft the elixir of revival.
Apa yang terjadi
Since
nih?
the Threnodians' lives
Anjay.
are unraveled, the frequencies and situations on the outside have shifted. Thanks to you, the Order is now entangled in its own troubles, too distracted to reach into the Thessalians. Most deeply affected by the Threnodians' whispers was the castle, where the former head was trapped, where innocent girls were lost to the trials. As the Threnodian fell, all these frequencies broke out at once. The long-standing fear, pain, resentment, and repression, all that the whispers had suppressed, burst free, becoming a new pain. The shackles of one's spirit were heavier than those from the outside. Yet thanks to you, we shattered those shackles together. I knew then the time had come for the girls to finally go home. I never meant to draw you into this. I was planning to shoulder it all alone. That's why, for this year's Night of Remembrance, I took part myself. and as host I chose Ghost Girls as the theme. My plan was to break through the sea of ghosts, claim that I've solved the riddles and won the elixir of revival, use it to send the girls home when the dance of the dead begins at midnight.
Oke, tentang suratnya.
Arrival, seemingly by chance, was perhaps destined. The letter wasn't my doing, but I think I know who put my side. She had no intention of hurting me with the abnormal frequencies, but she had been in the twisted Sonorians long enough that she was nearly one with its frequencies. When I saw that letter and sensed something unusual about you, I realized you could no longer stay out of this matter. With a special constitution, you were affected by the frequencies overflowing from the sea of ghosts. My arrogance blinded me. Forgive me for showing you this weak side of myself.
Santai ya. Selama kamu tuh bertini aman ya.
My current
Anjay. Kartela minta maaf guys.
seaweed is thick. Even I can easily become ensnared. But you helped me untangle these knots and weathered the torrents by my side. Thanks to you, the elixir was much easier to make. That's why I said a skilled brewer is far more important than the ingredients or the process.
Betul sih.
Please accept my heartfelt gratitude. Thank you for being here and for staying by my side.
Aman ya.
Cantarella, you don't have to bear it all alone anymore. You've got someone you can truly count on now.
You're right. I have one last favor to ask. Could you take the elixir and see the girls home on my behalf? The Phasalia doesn't enjoy a good reputation, and some villagers would resist my presence. At this point, causing any complication is the last thing I want. You, however, as the laureate who exposed the lies and turned the impossible into the possible, will carry a weight they can't ignore. You're the one to handle this. The people will be convinced. Besides, even if the Order intends to look into this miraculous revival later, your status and capabilities will hold them back. But putting all that aside, it's with your effort that this elixir was possible. I can think of no one more fitting for this task.
Oke.
Thank you. Both I and the entire Thessalia family will aid you in any way we can. Girls, gather your things. It's time to go home.
Let's go. Anjay, kita bawa wanita-wanita cantik lagi ya guys ya. Ulala. Masih ada cutscene kah? Keluar guys.
Thank you, Cantarella, for everything you've done for us for all these years. Now that we're leaving, we'll be left alone here. You should never have had to bear such a heavy burden. I still remember what you told me back then during the trials. You said you wanted to leave this place behind, go somewhere far away where no one knew you, and live freely. But now, you're staying in this cold castle, bearing it all alone.
As long as I am the head of Thessalia, what happened here remains buried. No more trials, no more innocent lives caught in this world. My freedom for theirs. A fair exchange, wouldn't you say? It's time to leave, my dear.
Oke, kelarkah adik-adik? Berarti kita sudah record 45 menit, anjay. Lebih panjang dari yang aing pikirkan. Oh. SS. Ah, tidak SS, kurang ajar.
All the riddles are solved. Behold, the elixir of resurrection.
Woi. Woi, anjay. Itu dia, bro. Ah. Kita dapat thumbnail ya, guys ya. Itu dia, guys. Oke.
That was a really long nap. Wow, the strange smell is gone. You smell good again. Oh, I had the best dream. I was dancing with all these cute echoes. Oop. Am I interrupting something? Fine. I'll just go take another nap.
Things have returned to normal. It's late. Would you care to come to my castle and rest for the night?
Oh. Let's go lah. She wants, okay. Are stronger than her, but in track to carry for remains a natural. Oke. Bentar, ini sampai kapan? Ini sudah mau sejam loh ya. Ayolah. Anjir, ada lagi katanya, cowok. Apa gara-gara kita accept?
With you here, this castle feels warmer. Your presence may have dispelled the chill that used to linger.
Bentar, apa itu? Driven trials apa ini? Sabar ya. Saya harus memilih jawaban yang tepat kali ini ya. Karena sepertinya setiap pilihan membuat cutscene baru ya guys ya. Iya kan? Cobaan ilahi keluarga Vesilia. Inilah. Kayaknya nggak ada bedanya guys.
Our family's purpose has always been clear: to resist the Threnodian spiritual interference and hold fast to our faith in the Sentinel. The cruel trials were designed to find a maiden with an unbreakable will, someone who could withstand the Threnodian's whispers and fix her eyes on the true light. Yet, in pursuit of that noble cause, innocent lives were sacrificed without question. I can't accept the so-called necessary sacrifice, one that tramples the will of others in the name of duty. It's nothing but living off the weak. Though it's important to kindle the flames, none should forget those burned to ashes. Those lives shouldn't have been squandered. After all, we are more than just fire. Yes, when I took up the sword of divinity, I felt a presence, someone far more capable, more suited. A new possibility emerged. I asked the Sentinel to transfer my second awakening power for that girl.
Woi,
The Sentinel had always wielded the power of separation, but instead agreed to my proposal to combine our strengths. With that power, she confronted the Threnodian.
sabar. Sebaliknya menjadi urusan untuk menggabungkan kekuatan kami dengan kekuatan itu menghadapi Threnodian.
We triumphed. But the Threnodian proved to be more difficult than we expected.
Oke, mereka menang, tapi Rodian terbukti
To stop the brutal divine trials and secure us the final victory, I chose to become the family head, drawing on every resource available to achieve our goal. I pretended to align with the Order to keep the Threnodian off guard, all while searching for a way to fully liberate the Sentinel and end the Threnodian, once and for all.
ini Threnodian sih guys ya.
And then I found you.
Anjay. Sabar, translate dulu ya. Jadi itulah mengapa kau membawaku langsung ke pandangan keahlian. Anda pasti telah melakukan banyak hal. Launch.
Just as you chose your path, I've chosen mine. I will see it through, whatever it may cost. Besides, compared to what you've endured, my hardships are not worth mentioning. You defeated the Throne, converted Tower, saved the people of Rinasita, and freed those young girls. And me as well.
Wush, anjay.
The girls are now back home, and the Threnodian's whispers have finally faded from this castle. And with the Order's concessions, the shadows over Rinasita are vanishing. Peace has come to us once more. Thanks to you, the days of pain and sacrifice have ended. A calm life. That is the miracle. As the head of the Salia, I must offer you a fitting reward for all the efforts you made.
Apa nih? Dapat apa kita nih?
An elixir for eternal youth, perhaps. No, judging from the power of your awakening, it seems you may already possess that. Then let it be the elixir that turns stone into gold.
Stone into gold.
I, Cantarella Thessalia, hereby offer you the family's entire legacy. Every elixir and every hidden secret. This is our home now.
Anjay. Gila, tersipu malu si
It's
Rover
been
guys.
a long day. You deserve a sweet, peaceful sleep.
Wush.
Here, a special elixir I've prepared with Ambitsia flowers. Their gentle, lingering fragrance can waft through reality into your dream.
Wush, wush. Anjay.
Close your eyes and rest. Good night.
Buset, agak ungu ya. Anjay, kelar kah? Akhirnya kelar ya guys ya. Oke. Jadi mungkin sekian dulu saja gitu ya kan ya. Akhir dari ceritanya si Kartela kah siapa namanya, seperti biasa gue lupa namanya guys. Oke, jadi seperti bisa jangan lupa nyalakan lonceng notifikasi, jangan lupa di-share dan sampai bertemu lagi ya guys ya di story-story quest yang berikutnya. Oke, bye-bye.